I think it's probably going to persist in those places, and as we'll see in a minute, it'll make a big difference to the temperature. Also, some thicker cloud beginning to slip up towards the southwestern corner of the country. That will give some showers during the afternoon, but most places will have a fine, warm afternoon, good deal of sunshine, with the exception, as we've just seen, of those northeastern areas, where as a result, the temperature will be pegged back at about 8 or 9 degrees, as against, say, 18 degrees here in London. Very warm afternoon for most of us. Now, those showery bursts will, as it were, get their act together this evening and through the night. More of them coming up from France. Could well get some heavy bursts of rain, and the whole lot will be trundling northwards across the whole of England and Wales, perhaps just brushing into Northern Ireland as well. But most of Scotland staying fine and dry, although that low cloud will continue to lurk along that coast. Could see 4 degrees in some of the Scottish glens. Otherwise, a very mild night in the south, lowest at 9 or 10 degrees. And then tomorrow, a completely different day, a very different day. Good deal of cloud around. We're going to have outbreaks of rain working their way northwards as these weather fronts move up from the southwest. The rain heading up towards Scotland, maybe not all that much in western Scotland, but moving up there nevertheless. As it moves away from England and Wales, it will allow it to brighten up and dry up, I think, for a time, before another batch of thickening cloud brings some outbreaks of rain in towards the end of the day. Quite a bit cooler too in most places. Best temperatures around 12 degrees, 12 or 13 degrees, and of course it remains cool near to that east coast. As we head into the latter part of the week, in towards the weekend, more and more of these frontal systems moving in from the Atlantic, keeping it changeable, unsettled, with further bands of rain working their way northeastwards across most parts of the country. The southeastern corner, where pressure stays highest, might get away with it for a good while of the time, but even there, I think, come Sunday, this particular weather system will bring rain to just about all parts, as well as some strong winds. Back to Anna.